guys, it's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. I'll be demonstrating how to make the perfect rice cake. Oh yeah, so guys, without further ado, let's jump right in. Start off by transferring into a blender eggs, cardamom seeds, date, sugar, vanilla extract, olive oil, and blend smoothly. Pour the blended mixture into a bowl. Add rice flour, corn flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and mix thoroughly. The final task is to pour into a baking pan or aluminum plate. For added beauty, you may add cocoa powder to a portion of it and bake. That is it, guys. Would you try this? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.